Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to import repository in Google Colab from GitHub. First, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for the phrase Google Colab. After that, open the second website that appears and the official Google Colab webpage will be displayed. Here, you will need to click on the Open Colab button located at the top of the page. This will redirect you to your Google Colab account. Now, you can either create a new notebook or just access an existing one. Once you get to the notebook, type in the phrase !git space clone and then paste the repository link. To get the repository link, go to your GitHub account and access the target repository you want to open in Colab. Inside the repository, click on the code button and then copy the link provided. After copying the repository link, go back to your Google Colab notebook and paste the link after typing !git space clone. Then run the code cell. Once the cloning process is complete, you can access the file section and then open the cloned repository from inside Colab. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.